friends, welcome back to the channel. The foreman is out here to tell me how to do everything. So this is going to be the kitchen. We got the other window in and the camera malfunctioned once again, but this is the kitchen area. Putting in a slider window here. The slider window Gail bought's too big. So we have another window that's going to go in the bathroom. Gary said you just turn it sideways, it becomes a slider. Guess what? It does. So what I'm envisioning here, where I'm putting this, I'm going to have an 18-inch drawer base here, a 30-inch stove, then a 60-inch sink base, and another 18-inch base cabinet. So my counter will wind up being like 78 inches long. And I'm going to put this over the sink area. Because Gail, when she's doing dishes, or when she makes me do dishes, I'll be able to look out the window. I haven't done dishes for a long time, I shouldn't say that. But that's what we're going to do now. You know, I'd already framed that one in. The only thing you missed out on was actually installing the window. Everything else was done. This one we got to frame in and do all the good stuff. But yeah, that's today's project. And if the camera holds out and works, we're going to do some wiring in the barn and put some more lights in it. Alright, so I have to cut a stud. I'm going to use this stud. And now I'm only going 24 inches now. No, I'm going 36 still. Duh. We're going to cut this one out, and I have to put another one in here. So that's the plan. I'm going by Gary's measurements, so you saw how mine worked out.
Studs are 84, right?
I don't know. Yeah, I figured you measured it.
I did.
You measured it. I'm not going to spread it out because after this one, it's not going to be short. Not like power tools. Wow. Third second. Right there. Oh, since I'm just cutting to here. Sorry about that. I guess
Believe it or not, you're cutting the top one. Because we have to
yeah.
3.5 inches in there.
You're right.
And that one lives on the bottom.
The headers, I bought a conceal plate. Nah, I don't like doing that. Then my fingers are. Not sure I have enough strength. All right, folks, I want to do a quick walkthrough for you. There's the two windows we put in today, and I'll show you on the inside because I got the electrical work I wanted to do inside the barn also. So it's been a busy day. Gary was tremendous help because I'm trying to adjust to those medicines. So it's good he was out here in case I fainted or fell off a ladder or something. But yeah, there's the kitchen window, the other living room window, those living room windows, utility room window. I have windows left over. Remember, there's gonna be a hallway there going down to the addition I'm putting on. But these will be the views out back from the living room. And when Gail's doing dishes, she can look out back. This will be fenced in for the dogs. Well, you can't really see anything. It'll be fenced in for the dogs. Sun's in the exact wrong place. But yeah, got a lot accomplished today. I'm real happy. A little tired. We got a lot done. It's late in the day. The shadows are getting long, as they say. But this is Joe out at St. Bernard Acres. I'm out.